Welcome dear learners, welcome in the very first week of our MOOC on academic writing. This week, we are here with the 2 modules. In the module 1, Introduction to Academic Writing, we will be introducing the concept of academic writing. We will be covering what is writing and what is academic writing skill. How it is different from simple writing. What are the types of academic writing? What are the basic traits required for academic writing? What is the basic flow of action required? And what are the properties, what are the traits required for becoming a successful academic writer? After this module, in the module 2, we will be covering the importance of academic writing. Importance with respect to the stakeholders of academic writing, academicians, researchers, students and institutions. So the importance with respect to each stakeholder we will be covering up. And then we will be discussing the challenges of academic writing in global scenario in the current way. In the module 3, Basic Rules of Academic Writing, we will be presenting the brief about the overall scenario of some thumb rules of academic writing, like when to write, what to write, how to write, where to send, how to address the review comments, how to proofread, and how to focus on the quality. So, in these 3 modules, in each module, we will be offering you some ungraded quizzes after each module for your self-assessment. Please do attempt them and feel free to raise your queries in discussion forum. We'll be there always for you. You can also email your queries. So, welcome dear learners. Stay tuned for the modules. Thank you.